In this session, I'm going to show you how to use our roasted vegetables to make savory muffins. This is our roasted capsicum, char-grilled capsicum. We will chop it into rough chunks. This is our char-grilled zucchini. I will roughly chop it as well. I have some baby spinach. You can break it just with your fingers. I'm going to be adding just a regular tasty shredded cheese. I'm going to add corn kernels. Mix everything a little bit. I will be adding 2 eggs. I will be adding Greek yogurt, some salt, some pepper, little bit of olive oil, and now we will mix. We will be adding our wet ingredients into our veggie mix. We will make sure that all of the ingredients are covered with the egg and milk mixture. And now it's very important that when we add the flour, we do not overmix, because if not, the muffins will become hard and we want nice and fluffy muffins. That's it. Now we will go and put them in the muffin trays. So this recipe is good for 12 muffins. So we'll divide them into molds and then bake them in a 180-degree oven. Now we will put them in the oven and cook them for half an hour. And here you have these amazing muffins, another way to use our char-grilled veggies and a quick morning break or afternoon snack to grab and go.